What's up, guys? Welcome back to Fabulous F Designer. Today we're going to be learning about how to do vertical scrolling. First, you go to frames, you select your frame. After selecting your frame, you could color it the color you want. After coloring it, you bring now we're doing any social media app, so at the top there will be a search panel, so we put this, and at the bottom there will be some home settings and stuff. Okay, after you do this, you press on it and make sure it's up, because this here it's up, and then go fixed. Then the other one, you click on it, you go design, you press down, then go prototype, then fixed. After doing that, you go bring your rectangle or anything, the shape. Maybe I want it like this, to scroll like this, or I want the shape like this, or I want circles. For me, I'm gonna make it like YouTube, or so I'm gonna make it a rectangle as its videos. Let me do it again. Okay. Then Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. You want to make sure that the distance is the same to make it more quality. Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. Okay, if you want to add more, you right click on the frame, then drag this down. That's why we made it fixed, so it stays fixed and doesn't go. I want to add one more. Okay. Right click on the frame to drag and drag. Okay, after you're done putting your rectangles, you press present, and that's all for today. Look, it's working perfectly. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Peace.